this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on YouTube. Today I'm working on day number 2 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, and I am doing the banners that are indicated on that sketch I showed in the beginning, but I'm not doing the bottom portion. Instead, I'm going to have a little stamp saying down there. So I am dovetailing all of the pieces of paper that I picked out for this layout, and they are for my wedding photos from a long time ago that I haven't scrapped yet. So I'm getting them done, and I brought out some ballerina cardstock from Close to My Heart as my base pieces, and some miscellaneous paper from the swap box that was at the retreat I am at while doing this layout, and then some other papers that I had in my stash, mostly from the Now and Forever collection from Close to My Heart. Love that paper, and it worked perfect for these photos, and that's probably why I got them scrapped, because I was inspired by that paper pack. So I'm going to distress the edges of all those pieces of paper and get them ready to put down. Here I'm showing you the stamps that I use for the Always and Forever image I stamped at the bottom of these pages. And now I'm going to ink the edges, and I just want to mention that I use that dauber and use the ink in the lid of my stamping pad rather than stamp it off onto some paper and wasting the ink. I find spreading it with my dauber in the lid makes it go farther. Sorry, that was a little close up too. I fixed it here, and now I'm going to just finish stamping that sentiment at the bottom with these swirls. It adds a perfect touch. So now I thought I would add some really pretty trim to the edge of these paper pieces, just to give them a little more definition. I used some double-sided tape, and that holds it down really nice. I dovetailed the ends of that as well. It didn't fray at all. I was so happy about that. But it's just a very soft touch. I love using ribbon and lace like this for pages like this wedding album. Now we're on to all the paper strips and laying them out in a nice manner where they're all balanced. And I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think? And through the magic of video, they're all adhered down, and now I'm going to start putting down my photos. So I measured with my T-square ruler to get them set at the same level for each page, and use some glue. I know you probably have the same thoughts as I, but sometimes when you have photos of a loved one that's no longer with you, you have special memories making pages like this. Here, the title, Remember This Day Always, wasn't really standing out the way I wanted it to at the top of the page there, so I'm going to use my scarlet ink to just make it a little shadowing behind the title, and it works out really well. The blender brushes that Close to My Heart carries just are fabulous. I love them. And here we're going to be ending soon. I do add a layer to the title with the scarlet paper. You'll see that. And I also use the DWeber acrylic gloss sprays to add splattering. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you check out everybody else that is making videos for this series. They're all so inspirational. Have a wonderful day.